Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home and garden essentials.
Today, we've got something special for all you garden enthusiasts out there. The GLAHODEN Retractable Garden Hose Reel. Now, before we dive into the details, let me tell you straight up, if you're in the market for the best quality garden hose reel, look no further. The GLAHODEN Retractable Garden Hose Reel is a game changer, and here's why.
First up, let's talk about durability. This hose reel is built to last.
With its anti-UV and anti-freeze polymer material, it can withstand even the harshest weather conditions.
Plus, the reinforced brackets and metal pins ensure stable load capacity, so no more worries about bending or tilting.
But that's not all. Check out this nozzle.
With 9 adjustable spray modes, you can customize your watering experience to suit your garden's needs.
From a gentle mist to a powerful jet, this nozzle does it all. And let's not forget about convenience. Thanks to its automatic rewind system, retracting the hose is a breeze.
Plus, with the patented ratchet locking system, you can easily extend the hose to any length and lock it in place securely. Now, here's the kicker. This hose reel has been internally improved to deliver the highest water flow and pressure among products of the same size. That's right, you'll get up to 20% more water flow, ensuring your garden gets the hydration it needs. So there you have it, folks. The GLAHODEN Retractable Garden Hose Reel. It's durable, convenient, and delivers top-notch performance.
Say goodbye to tangled hoses and hello to a beautifully maintained garden.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products for your home and garden. Until next time, happy gardening!